So now I'm moving on to the Nissan exhibit here. Kind of see it back there. They have a couple concept cars as well. Here's their concept car. All-wheel drive electric. Which, like last year, that's the theme of most of them, is electric cars. Says it's coming early 2023. Here's the stats on it. 289 horsepower dual electric motors, 270 miles of range. The up to, you have to research it, because a lot of times you have to upgrade the batteries, or it's certain driving conditions, obviously. Here's the Frontier. Pickup truck. Of course, they show everything with the most options. Not a huge tailgate, but definitely gets the job done. Ariya. Not a ton of space, but something. Oh, it's kind of got the dual levels of space. There's a nice panel across there. Here's where the electric charge is. I know nothing about these. I know that, like, the plugs, there's two different kinds. Get a closer look of it from the front. What's this, a Pathfinder? Yeah, this is a Pathfinder. Here's the dash of it. Big displays for the radios, navigation. Rock Creek must be a trim that they're offering. Headlights are really nice. It's like a muted green. It's kind of nice. Oh, this one has actually a price tag. $54,700. I'm assuming it's somewhat loaded. Here's the Altima. Looks like the Camry a lot. $35,000. I'm assuming that's pretty well loaded. See in the dash. Here's inside the Altima. Got a nice display there. Here's the Z. I always like these cars, from the 280Z forward. I like the blue one definitely better here, of the Z. Such a strong blue.